Welcome. The first thing we need to do is to find a proper picture of a map, and by proper I mean we need to find a high resolution big picture. So for that I would search for, let's say, map of Europe, and something searched before map of Europe 4K, and I found that FreePic actually has some really good results. So you can go ahead and search FreePic right away. They have high quality maps and with big resolution, and you can see that some of them have a ground that's premium, but something that's not premium is something that doesn't have this ground, and you can just go ahead and download it for free. So for example, this map, I definitely know for sure that it's high quality. So if I go ahead and download it and I preview it, we can see the dimensions is 6720 by 4480. So really good. And if I preview it and I really zoom in, you can see that the quality stays relatively good compared to everything else. And that's exactly the reason why we need a high resolution. Is because whenever we zoom in, we want to keep the same quality, because we will have to zoom in order to work with the camera, in order to create the 3D effect and things like that. Also in the past on FreePic I found some SVJs, which if you know how to work with SVJs, you can put them into Illustrator, and by using the Illustrator file with SVJs we can rasterize the layers so that it always keeps the same quality. But it's not going to be like the picture of a map, it's going to be more something like this, and we can actually go ahead and search for that here as well. If we go for the file type and we click on SVJ, there you go. So we have a map of Europe, for example. We can go ahead and download it. Let's unzip it. Actually, this is in Illustrator map already, and if we zoom in, we can keep on zooming in, and it's going to keep on having the same quality. That's because it's rasterizing. I'll show you what it means in After Effects, but you can see that the quality will always be like super sharp and precise on all the edges and on all the countries and words, things like that. So we can use this map, for example, because it's always going to have this very high quality. Or if we're going for something more cinematic, then we can use something like this. So FreePic, really recommend you go ahead and search for your map. You can go ahead and choose the same one as I have in the downloadable resources section. If you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, let's jump into the next video.